Video, we're going to look at one more cybersecurity risk within SAP, which is basically having access to a developer key. So let me explain what is a developer key. So let's say I want to create a program called ztest123. Okay, I click on create. It's going to pop an access key. Okay, and then so what I need to do is I need to get a key from SAP. Okay, I need to get a key from SAP so that I can create programs. Okay, so I need to go to SE16. If I have a key, right, this table has two fields, right, the username and then the key. So let's say if I say Selva, okay, I don't have a key. So whenever a user has a key, it will be in this table. So you need to make sure the user does not have access to developer key in production. So which basically means if he has a developer key in production, he will be able to create a program or change the program in production directly. Okay, so you need to make sure the user does not have developer key in production. Thanks for watching the video. Please click on the link below to download a step-by-step guide. Thank you.